Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am here to plan in my wellness and fitness planner. So how I am doing my wellness and fitness is I am using a horizontal for my journaling of how I feel and my emotions and that side. And then I am using the wellness extension pack from the Happy Planner to track my stats on my watch, what I'm eating, and that kind of thing. And I just want to show you really quick. So this is what the weekly view looks like. This changes each week. This week it says how I was kinder this week, then how did I honor myself this week, and how quiet time empowered me. And then it has positive word, reading, listening to, feeling, and watching. That changes every week. And then that stays the same every week. And then down here stays the same. It says reflection, today was thankful for, focusing on, looking inward, daily gratitude, and joy of today. And then of course it has a monthly view as well. And at the very front of the extension pack, it has this little checklist that says fall in love with taking care of yourself. And then these little prompt pages, simple things that bring me joy, what rejuvenates me, what matters in my home life, what matters in my work life, how I practice compassion, what I love about myself. And then this says center your soul, my favorite ways to practice self-care. So this is just prompting you to write what you like about yourself, what ways that you practice self-care. And then on the back of this, it has a little place to write a note to yourself. So I have really enjoyed using this. I'm super excited to use it and continue throughout the year, combining that with my horizontal. And then at the end of each month, it says goals this month, what's inspiring me, how I'm strengthening my mind, how I'm strengthening my body, how I'm strengthening my soul. So that combined with my other one, I feel like is a great setup for me. So first I am going to do this layout, and then if I have time, I'll just show you how I'm going to do the horizontal. I really don't do a lot on that. It's mainly just writing, so sometimes I don't even decorate it. So most likely I will not. So last week, I used these cute little date covers and decided I wanted to use them again because it turned out so well. These are from Lavish Paper Co, and you can get them in several different colors. These, I think, this color scheme is the Pemberley color scheme, I believe. And then you can either get it with the actual days to put in there or not. And obviously it comes with 3 weeks worth and then the days worth of a month. So you can use oh my goodness. You can use the code Natalie15 for 15% off your total purchase and no minimum. So definitely check that out. These are so cute, especially to use in a vertical planner. You could definitely use them in a horizontal planner. I haven't used these specific ones, but I've used date covers in my horizontal planner and I love them, and I probably will use these eventually in that as well. So there are my days of the week. And then I also just grabbed my Pemberley more functional stickers that I have in the same color scheme. So up in the top row, I do my stats with my watch, which is my stand goal, which is how many times I get up and move around for at least a few minutes each day that I have my watch on. I charge it every night, so it's not always a 24-hour period. It's normally out of 12 to 14 hours. So I put my stand goal in there, which is 12 hours a day is the goal. And then I also put my move goal, which is just my calories burned throughout the day. It's not a specific workout that I do or anything like that. And then down in the middle column, I track what I'm having for each of my meals, and then I actually do follow the prompts down here. So I think what I am going to do is put this for my stand goal because it's something out of something, and then the other one's for my steps. So as you can see, it kind of goes down the same color scheme as this. So I'm gonna start like one off so I don't match the colors. Okay, so that's going to be my move goal, or excuse me, my stand goal. And then, let's see. I've been putting my steps down here, but I think I'll put them, so there's my move, my stand, and my steps. This one's crooked and it's bothering me. I'm gonna fix that before I move on. So I'm gonna put one more layer of these on here for the other half of my goal. Okay, I like that. Then what I've been doing in the middle is using one of these Happy Planner rolls. So I have two of these boxes. This one is the wellness box, and this one is the fitness. So the fitness has little flags that say their strength or cardio, workout log, scales, meal plan, and step stickers. And then this one has just blank habit trackers, some little hexagons that have quotes on them. These are like long habit trackers that go down the sidebar. And then these are some more little quotes on flags. And then these are little check lists. So I am going to use these meal plan ones from here. Then this week I am going to use these ones for my step trackers. I'm going to put one of these down at the bottom. Just like that. And then also from Lavish Paper Company, I have these little tiny scales in the Pemberley. And so I'm going to be weighing myself on, I haven't decided for sure yet, I think Mondays. So I'm just gonna put this up here to remind myself to weigh in, because I don't feel like I can write that tiny. And then I'll put how much I lost or whatever. Okay, so then I just want to now decide what I want to do with the sidebar. So previous weeks I'll show you. I have done a couple different things. So this week I did this sticker and covered this part, and then this week I just did a morning routine and did not cover this part. So I just want to see here. And then each week I have set a goal. I did a video a while back on like breaking down my bigger goals into smaller goals. And this week my goal is to eat 3 meals because I'm horrible at eating breakfast, or sometimes just skipping lunch and eating, and then I normally eat too much for 1 meal. So I want to have that somewhere as well, that I'm tracking that I ate 3 meals every day. So let's see what we have here. So this one covers up quite a bit of it if I were to choose to use this one. Or I can use one of these ones. So it says 3 things this week. Practice being positive, my morning routine, and give yourself a pep talk. I think I'll do the give yourself a pep talk and cover up how I was kinder this week. I don't care about being kinder. Just kidding, I do, but I want to give myself a pep talk. Then I actually am planning on exercising 3 times this week. That is not one of my goals that I set, but it's driving me nuts not to have some kind of workout goal. So my goal, I want to have this exercise tracker up there still. And then I do like these. I don't feel like watching is one that I really care as much about. So I'm going to, again in the Pemberley, you can tell that I really love the Pemberley color scheme from Lavish. These are just blank habit trackers. I like to use these because my goals are not always, this week it is that I'll mark 1 day each week, but they're not. Like 1 week I had a goal to only eat out 3 times a week in a week. So I didn't want to mark the days of the week necessarily, but I wanted to be able to mark that I only ate which days I ate out. So I think I'm gonna use one of the, actually, I may have just changed my mind. I might use these for water, just because they match the color scheme. And do my water down at the bottom, at my bottom. What I think I'm actually going to do, because my goal is not to exercise every day of the week, is cover this up with 1 more of these skinny ones and put 3 meals, so I can mark how many times I did my 3 meals there, and then I'll write on here or somewhere that I worked out. I like that a lot. So I hope you enjoyed seeing how I set up this planner. I'm not going to decorate the horizontal one in this video just because I may or may not actually decorate it. But then I just stick it back in my planner. Like this. And there we go. I am ready for the week. I love this. I love that they came out with the new wellness extension pack just because I didn't love the fitness extension pack. I mean, I'm sure plenty of people use it and they use it really well and it helps them. It's just not one that helped me. So I'm really excited that they came out with this one. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Make sure to hit subscribe if you want to see the videos I post in the future. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.